know many people are having trouble with pairing their Skullcandy Crusher Evo with their iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn on headphones. Begin by switching on your Skullcandy Crusher Evo headphones. Hold down the main function button until the LED light starts to flash. Step 2. Activate iPhone Bluetooth. On your iPhone, turn on Bluetooth. You can do this via the settings menu under the Bluetooth option. Step 3. Search Bluetooth devices. Next, search for available Bluetooth devices on your iPhone and select Crusher Evo from the list of available devices. Step 4. Input Bluetooth passcode. If you're asked to input a passcode, enter the default code 0 to pair your headphones with your iPhone. Step 5. Confirm headphones pair. You should hear a confirmation sound in your headphones once the headphones are successfully paired with your iPhone. Step 6. Start wireless playback. Your Skullcandy Crusher Evo headphones are now ready for wireless audio playback with your iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully pair your Skullcandy Crusher Evo headphones with your iPhone for wireless audio playback. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Skullcandy users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.